Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to learn about the trigonometric table, right? In trigonometric table, if you know the value of any one, right? Exactly means suppose you have the all the trigonometric ratios, know, right? You know all the trigonometric ratios of sine theta from 0 to 90, right? Then automatically you can feel this all you can feel, right? You can automatically know, means you can take out the values of cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta in all from 0 to 90, right? So first you should know only about the tan, right? Once you know about all the trigonometric values from 0 to 90 of sine theta, right? So easily you can get these all value. So let's just start filling up these all. Okay, so what's the value of sine 0 degree, as we have learned in previous video, right? So the value of sine 0 is of course 0, right? So the value of sine 0 is 0, right? And the value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2 half, right? And again the value of sine theta is, yeah, that's 1 under root, yeah, 1 upon under root 2, right? This is the value of sine 45. Now the value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, right? And the value of sine 90 degree is 1, right? Yeah, this much only you should know. Once you know these all value, now you can easily fill out these all, right? You can easily find out these all values, right? So how to find out these all values? Let's do one by one. Okay, so now see, sine 0 equals to 0, right? And sine 90 equals to 1. As we have already learned that in sine and cos from 0 to 90, right? 90, it's 0 angle to 90 angle, right? When sine is 0, cos is 90, right? And when sine is 90, cos will be 0. So as the sine increases, right, cos will be decreasing, right? And when the cos will be increasing up to 90, sine will be decreasing, right? So exactly it means, so cos, now see, since sine 90 equals to 1, so cos 0 will be 1, right? Exactly right. So since simply think, right, cos sine 30 equals to half, right? Sine 30 equals to half, right? So just subtract from 90. 90 minus 30, that is 60. So see, in sine 60 what is the value? It's root upon 3. So cos, it will be root upon 2, right? So cos 30 will be root upon 3, right? Because if you subtract 30, right, from 90, you will get the value 60, right? It means together it have to make 90 degree, you understand? In sine table, see, it is 30 degree, right? So in sine table it is 30, and in cos table how much it should be? Means it will be equal to the sine table's value, right? It means it should be all together 90, right? So how much? It's 60, right? So see, in the 60 table it's root upon 3, so root 3 upon 2, so this value will be here. Again cos 45, see, from again 45 plus 45 will be 90, right? So in the same way, if you come from here in 45, right, suppose you are increasing sine 45, so you will be decreasing also 45, right? So from 0 to 90, right, it is in the middle. 45 is the middle, right? So that is why the value of the 45 cos 45 will be also same, right? It's in the same middle, right? Now see 60 in cos, right? You are going cos, how much you are going? You are going 60 upward. So from 90 how much you have to fall down, right? You have to fall to complete 90. See, there is altogether the gap is 90 degrees here, means altogether it is 90, right? In cos you went out 60 upward, so how much you have to fall down? You have to fall down 30, right? Then 30 plus 60 will be 90. So see, the value of 30, it's half, so it will be half, right? So cos 60 will be half. Again see, now in cos you are moving upward, right? You are moving whole 90, right? Whole 90 up to here you are moving. So from sine how much you have to fall down? Nothing, right? Means 0. So see, the value of 0, that is 0, so it will be also 0. Now what is the value of tan 0 degree? Of course we have already learned that tan theta is always the ratio of sin theta upon cos theta, right? So see, sin theta upon cos theta, 0 upon 1. Of course, by whatever, if you divide 0, you will get the value only 0, right? So the value of tan 0 is 0. And again, tan theta equals to 30 degree, means sin 30 upon cos 30. So half upon this half, right? So see, half upon this half, that is means this root 3 upon 2. So 2 will this go side, this will come this side. It means it will be 1 by 2 multiply this 2 will go upside, so 2 upon root 3. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so 1 upon root 3 will be our answer, right? 1 upon root 3 is our answer. So again 45, 1 upon 45 whole upon 1 upon 45, so both will be cut, right? So answer is 1, because sin 45 whole, so this whole will be cut down, right? Now again tan 60, what will be the value of tan 60? Yeah, see, this upon this, so let me do here, okay, so root 3 by 2, right? Root 3 by 2 whole divided by half, right? So again this will go upside and this will come downstairs. So let me do here, root 3 upon 2, right? This is 1 itself, and this 2 will go upside, so here, so 2 and 2 cancel, it means root 3 upon 1, that's root 3 only, right? So value of tan 60 is root 3 only. And again, what is the value of tan 90? 1 upon 0. So of course 1 upon 0, that's undefined, right? It's infinity, undefined value, right? Something upon 0 means if we divide by 0 to anything, it's undefined value, right? So once again, so come here, cosec theta, we know it is cosec theta is just opposite of sin theta, right? Cosec theta is always 1 upon sin theta, right? So cosec theta means cosec 0 it will be 1 upon sin 0, means 1 upon sin 0, 1 upon 0 again it is infinity, right? Let's write it properly, right? 1 upon infinity means 1 upon 0 will be obviously infinity, right? So again 30 here, see, it will be just opposite, right? 1 upon 2 means 1 upon half, so this 2 will go upside here, so it will be 2, and it will be just opposite, it will be root 2, right? And this will be just opposite, 2 upside and root 3 will become downstairs, so 2 will be the numerator and denominator will be root 3, right? Again, so 1 upon 1, it will be 1 itself, right? So again sec theta, right? We know that sec theta is just cos theta, 1 upon cos theta, so sec theta will be 1 upon 0. Again this will be value, this value will get right, something upon 1 it will be, means it's 1, so 1 upon 1 it will be, so 1 upon 1 it's 1, so 1 upon 1 it will be 1 again, right? So sec 30, see, it will be just opposite, right? So 2 will be upside and root 3 will be downstairs. You understand this now? How? See, sec theta is sec 30 will be 1 upon let me do it, okay, sec 30 will be just 1 upon cos 30 and 1 upon cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? See here, from here, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, right? Root 3 upon 2, so this 2 will go upside, it means 2 upon root 3. So that is why I write here 2 upon root 3 exactly. So cos sec 45, what will be the value of sec 45? See, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, so root 2 will come upside and 1 we don't write, and again here it will be 2, and again here it is 0 upside, right? So 1 upon 0 it will be, right? So 1 upon 0, that's value is undefined again, right? So what's the value of cot theta now? Let's go. Again, we know we have the two way to do this, right? We can simply do like this, cot theta, right? Cot theta is just 1 upon tan theta, this is the simplest method, or you can also do cos theta upon you might not be understanding here, right? Cos theta upon sin theta also you can do, right? So you can choose any one, right? As see here, tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, so it is just opposite, right? It will go upside and this will downstairs in cot theta. So I think it is more easier, so let me use this one, just opposite of the tan, right? in reverse form. So now see here, so cot theta, see tan 0 equals to 0, so 1 upon 0, again this will be undefined, right? So 1 upon 0, this will go downstairs, right? So 1 upon 0 it will be, I mean right, it will be 1 upon 0, so it will be infinity, right? And again it will be 1 upon root 3, so root 3 will go upside and 1 will come downstairs. So root 3 here, 1 upon 1, again 1 here, 1 upon root 3, right? And 90 will be, see here, tan 90 is infinity, so 1 upon infinity, what is the value of 1 upon infinity? Of course it's 0, right? I think you know about this, because since 1 upon 0 equals to infinity, it will be just like this, so this will be 0. Like this we have to fill up these all values, right? So in next videos we'll be starting the problems related to these angles, okay, trigonometric angles, this from 0 to 90. So watch the next videos, in that we will be solving lots of problem. It will be really helpful to understand the trigonometric ratios, especially of these angles. Okay, thank you, bye bye.